Hello all. Today we are discussing about the topic exceptional children. Meaning of exceptional children, characteristics of exceptional children and challenges faced by exceptional children. Now we can discuss about meaning of exceptional. The term exceptional means different things to different people. Some people use it when referring to a particular bright children or some use it for a child with unusual talent. According to Telford and Sore, to be exceptional is to be rare or unusual. Let's see a definition for exceptional. According to Crow and Crow, the term exceptional is applied to a trait or to a person possessing trait up to the extent of deviation from normal possession of the trait is so great that because of it the individual warrant or receives special attentions from his fellows and his behavior responses and activities are thereby affected. Now we can discuss about the characteristics of exceptional children. We all know that exceptional means it's a deviation from a normal condition. So those children possess certain characteristics. It is applied to a trait of a person possessing up to the extent of deviation from normal. It is commonly applied to children who differ notable from the average children. An exceptional child deviates physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially from normal growth and development. An exceptional child is he who cannot be benefited from regular classroom teaching programs. An exceptional child requires a modification of school practices and needs special treatment in school to develop his maximum capacity. An exceptional child belongs to both the extremes of physical, mental, social, emotional, and educational achievement. Exceptional children are undergoing through a lots of challenges. Here we can discuss about few of them. First one is the medical issues. Medical issues for exceptional children include serious conditions like cancer, heart defects, muscular dystrophy, and cystic fibrosis, and it also includes chronic conditions like asthma and congenital conditions like cerebral palsy and health threats like food allergies and obesity. Those children with the medical issues need a frequent medical checkup, testing, hospital stays, etc. Behavior issues. Children with behavior issues may not respond to traditional discipline. Diagnosis like ADHD, fetal alcohol spectrum disorder, dysfunctional sensory integration, and Chowder syndrome require specialized strategies. Behavior issues can increase the risk of a problem at school. As an educator or as a parent, you will need to be flexible, creative, and patient for dealing with those children. Next one is developmental issues. Developmental disabilities can change visions of the future and provide immediate difficulties in caring for and educating the exceptional child. Diagnoses like autism, Down syndrome, and intellectual disabilities often cause children to be removed from the mainstream. Next one is the learning issues. Children with the learning disabilities like dyslexia and auditory processing disorder struggle with schoolwork regardless of their intellectual abilities. They require specialized learning strategies to meet their potential and avoid self-esteem problems and behavioral difficulties. Next one is mental health issues. Realizing that an exceptional child suffers from anxiety or depression or has attachment difficulties can be unexpected. Again, every child will be different, yet these can leave your family dealings with a roller coaster of mood swings, crisis, and finance. It's important that parents to find the right professionals to help. You will also need to make a decision about therapy, medication, possibly hospitalization. These are the major challenges faced by exceptional children. I hope all are clear with the topic exceptional children and thank you for watching.